Dear FMGE students, during our last month of the preparation, we all get this problem that how to cover entire syllabus, and I'm not able to recall things. My memory is fading away, right? Am I going to succeed in this exam? So these kind of self-doubt, stress and anxiety will be harmful because this is a very, very critical moment for us. So what is the solution? Remember, by taking any stress or anxiety, you are not going to improve your marks. You have to write down on this paper, is this anxiety, stress, all these things are going to improve my performance during exam time? I am sure that your answer will be big no, right? So that is what I wanted to say, that write it down on a piece of paper and throw them into the dustbin, because these anxieties are useless. So what is the solution now to combat them? Solution to combat them is just one thing we have to remember. We have to make our momentum of studies in a forward direction without any negative thought, right? How we will be doing this? You have to revise your notes with the optimum speed so that you can understand also, and you should not waste your time also in dragging into the unnecessary things also, right? Don't try to recall too much. Just go through the notes, solve the MCQs around them, and those MCQs should be from the 5 years PYQ. When you go like this, notes and MCQ, when you do like this, I'm telling you, you are going to remember them. You will remember them during exam time also. Don't try to recall each and every topic like a flash, right? It will not happen. So that is what I wanted to say, that don't spoil your time. Don't have negative thinking that how much syllabus I am going to finish, how much is required. So these are all immaterial. Whatever you have studied, go with the optimum speed. Try to revise them maximum. Make a short group of 3 to 4 students and discuss with each other at least 1 hour in a day. Whatever is the boring time, probably what I feel that after the lunch you can take time to revise all these things. The motive of our study in the last month is to maintain the momentum of studies without having any irrational thinking that how much is syllabus is remaining, what is my speed, how much I am going to recall. Exam time, you will be able to recall everything. Believe me, you will be able to recall each and everything in your exam time. But this is not the time to recall. This is the time to read and revise and to rehearse the MCQs based on those important topics. So stay positive, recharge your mind every day, and whenever you are losing your focus, suppose maybe 1 hour or 2 hour has been lost because of this sulking or because of the lack of momentum or some kind of anxiety, don't drag back into that negativity. You have to bring yourself forward, and you have to say yourself aloud that you are going to do this time, and you are going to shine, and believe me, you will shine in your exam. My best wishes to all of you.